Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you fix Roblox not opening problem. If you're facing a problem where Roblox is not launching or not opening at all, you can follow up with me till the very end, follow every step, every fix and see if it works for you. So let's jump right into it. First, let's tap in the search bar in the bottom and just search for remove program. Tap on this one that pops up in the search. It's basically gonna take you to settings. Under apps and features, just locate Roblox right here and just make sure to uninstall it. Basically, you can search for it, you can just scroll down until you find it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on the uninstall button that you will find next to it. I don't have it yet, but you have it, so you can do this. Once you're done uninstalling it, you can quit from the settings and then go to roblox.com right here. Make sure you are logged in and then open any game. Go ahead and tap on play. Wait for a couple of seconds, and of course here's gonna tell you to download. Go ahead and tap on that button to download it. It's gonna download in the top. As you can see, it's done downloading, so I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. Tap run. It's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna skip through. Alright, it should be done just like that, and this should fix your problem. It should launch now. As you can see, you just connect from here and continue, and you should be able to play your game just like that. Now if it doesn't work, you can again follow the next fix. I told you in the beginning there will be multiple. So the second one, you can just again tap in the search bar in the bottom and then search for run, and then open this one right here. Make sure you type the percentage sign, app data, and then the percentage sign at the end, and then tap on OK. It'll take you to this folder. It will be under roaming in the top. Go ahead and tap on app data, tap on local. Then from here find Roblox. Here it is. Go ahead and open it. And then from here tap on the folder versions. And here under versions you should find multiple folders. I only have one, so I'm gonna use it to show you as an example, but for your case it's gonna be a little bit different, because in this folder you should find the file that says, or that is named Roblox player launcher. As you can see, it's missing here because of the steps that I followed were a little bit different from yours, because I told you to uninstall Roblox and then reinstall it again. In my case, I didn't have Roblox in the first place, as you saw guys, so I just reinstalled it directly during the process. If you had Roblox and then had to uninstall it following my steps and then reinstall it again following my steps, you should find multiple folders under versions, and you just tap on or just open the latest one, of course the one that has the latest date to it, and then from there you should find the file that says Roblox player launcher, and that file, once you run it, it should launch Roblox without an issue, and it should fix your issue of not being able to launch or open Roblox. Now if following all of the previous steps didn't fix your problem, you can also try this one. You go to the search box in the bottom again and then search for Microsoft Store. Wait for it to load up. Of course you have to be logged into your Microsoft account, and just search for Roblox here, and you'll be able to install it from here, and hopefully it will fix your problem. You will be able to launch Roblox from here. If that didn't fix your problem, maybe Roblox is banned from your country. This is my case as well. My country is actually banned from Roblox, so I had to use a VPN to launch the game. You can always try that out, and maybe that fixes your issue also. And this is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.